Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I have this updo for you, perfect if you're going to a wedding or you have a formal occasion coming up. So let's get started. First step, you want to brush your hair through and brush it back from the crown. Then using your fingers you want to trace out a sort of V shape on the back of your head. So you create 3 sections. The middle section should be slightly bigger and then you can secure it into a low ponytail. Next, grab a side section and brush this just so there's no flyaways for the next step. You can then take some pieces out around the front just to frame your face. Then using your index finger you want to create a part on one side of the ponytail. Then sweep that side section over and just grab it with your finger and pull it through. Secure this section in place with bobby pins, and you want to make sure that the bobby pin has the wiggly part which will be flat against your head. Repeat the same step on the other side, but this time just making sure that you don't create the part through that section that we pulled over. Then with the remaining hair you want to add a small elastic on the bottom of the ponytail. This is just going to help to keep the hair all together when you wrap it up. Wrap this section around your hand, creating a bun shape. You can then secure the sides in place with bobby pins. Next, my favourite part of the hairstyle, you want to just pinch and pull at the sides to make them drape over the top of the bun you created, just so you can't see where the bun starts and ends. Pinch and pull at the root to give it more volume, and I also just curled the front pieces and added a tiny bit of hairspray just to give more texture and hold to the rest of the style. So this is the finished look. I really hope you found this video helpful and it gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!